Welcome to Takshila classes, and in our Keep Educating Yourself series we will learn HTML, and this is the part 2 of HTML where we do the practical sessions. I hope you already went through my part 1 tutorial, which is recommended to know about the theories. So if anyone who is not yet gone through the part 1 of this video, please, I would request to check out the part 1 and then come back to this part 2 to do the hands-on. So let's get started. So let's start our practical session and write some HTML programming. First of all, you should know what are the software you need to write your program and execute your program. So let me tell you frankly, there is no fancy software needed or required to write HTML program. If you are having a simple notepad, that is work for you, and to execute that you need a Chrome browser, and that is the one browser where you actually opening your websites, right? So let's start from HTML code. So this is a notepad I just opened. So you have to first save this file. Take any folder. I have created a folder allo class in my PC. So and then give it a file name. I want to give a file name is let's suppose chapter1.html, and then save the type to all file, because if you don't do this it will save as a text file, but you want HTML file. So .html or HTML will work. Then save this file and write some code which we have learned in my previous video. So it's an HTML document. It should start with start HTML tag and close HTML tag. Other than that, you have to write few sections. One is head section, so start head and close head, and then body section, start body, and then closing of this body. And inside head section we just learn only one tag, title of the page, my first HTML web page, and this is shown up on browser address bar. And then body, you can write actual text, actual content of your web page. Let's suppose I want a heading tag h1, the bigger heading, welcome to first web page, right? And then h1. Then I want a little bit smaller heading, then I would write h3. So you notice that this is a text file. Tags, you can write tag, but you can't get the formatting, because these tags are only render and understand by your browser. So h3 would be a little bit small than h1. Then h1, let's learn HTML tags, and that is h3. Let's have a paragraph also. Paragraph, simple. When you want you have to write some paragraph. You're writing in Word, so you can write, this is my first practical session to code HTML programming, right? You can means copy and paste. I just want to copy and paste. I'm not writing the whole paragraph, but I just want to copy and paste to make it a bigger paragraph. So here I'm just pasting in 2-3 times. Okay, just wrapping it so that it will shown up here. Okay, now save this file. So we have written an HTML file. Now we have to see how it looks in our web browser, or how our first page of website will look in browser. So open a browser. I am Mozilla, Firefox, and anything. You can open, right? And then you have to just open your file name, C drive, then allo class is my folder, and then is chapter1.html. chapter 1 HTML, then press enter. Oh, see, it's so great. Your H1 is looking so nice. H3 is a little bit small, but it's nice. And your paragraph text, see, this is your first web page. And see the title which we have shown in window is my first HTML web page is coming up here. So we did it. Whatever we learned in video first video, part 1 video, we did it. So this is introduction to basic HTML programming, and you are writing your first HTML page. But this is not end. We just started. We have to learn more basic tag, and we have to practically implement and program those tag and see how they are coming up on your web page, because web page have like images, videos, tables, like divisions. So we'll learn it gradually. So now it's your exercise. Create a page like I did it and run it on your web browser and share the feedback on this video, right? So let's close this one. Thank you. So in my next video we will learn more HTML tags, plus we will learn the cascading style sheet, how we can style our text, right? So thank you very much for watching this video. I request you to please subscribe our channel Takshila Classes on YouTube for more tutorials.